case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
A legal dispute between the Northwest Resources Information Center, Inc. and other parties has raised concerns over the management of resources in the Columbia River Basin, home to some of the world's largest salmon runs. The conflict involves the effectiveness of the largest biological restoration program in the world and whether the Northwest Power Planning Council complies with the Administrative Procedure Act. The United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit determined that the council's approach was largely ineffective, violating legal requirements as set by the Northwest Power Act, which aims to protect, mitigate, and enhance fish and wildlife in the region. The court found that the council did not use sound biological objectives and failed to defer to fishery managers' recommendations, remanding these issues for reconsideration and evaluation of power and economic impacts.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lse.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.